Hey there, ever felt like diving into crypto trading but got overwhelmed by the various options available in the market? Then let me introduce you to Toobit. Think of Toobit like an all-in-one crypto toolkit. Spot trading, futures, copy trading, and even on-chain features. It's like walking into a high-tech trading arcade where every station has a purpose. What's better is that it's designed so that you don't need to be a pro to get started. Welcome to Crypto Finally Explained, the crypto learning channel started by BitDegree, where I finally explain blockchain topics using simple analogies, doodles, and real-life examples. So, no matter if you're 5 or 75, you'll leave this video actually understanding how to use Toobit. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to create your account, navigate the platform, make your first trade, explore unique tools like DEX Plus and copy trading, and secure your assets along the way. Alright, ready to level up your trading game? Let's start with the basics. What is Toobit and why are more and more traders choosing it every day? So, what is Toobit exactly? Toobit is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange built to handle high-volume trading while still being easy enough for beginners to use. Think of it as your personal crypto command center. Clean, powerful, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. As of now, Toobit boasts over 3 million active users, more than 1,000 trading pairs, and a daily trading volume that regularly crosses $20 billion. That's quite impressive for an exchange that has only been around since 2022. It also means there's plenty of liquidity and opportunity, whether you're trading Bitcoin, altcoins, or looking for something more advanced like futures or DeFi-style assets. Toobit also offers up to 200x leverage on certain futures contracts, ideal for high-risk, high-reward strategies, and it integrates with TradingView, which means chart lovers get pro-level tools built right into the platform. So, overall, I think Toobit was designed to combine the best of both worlds, a beginner-friendly interface with powerful tools for serious traders. Alright, now that we have a clear picture of what Toobit actually is, let's go over how you can start using the platform. The first step, obviously, is to make a new account. With Toobit's intuitive interface, this should be a breeze, even for beginners. Let me show you how easy it is. First, go over to the website at toobit.com. Here, click Sign Up in the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and a new password for your new account. Then read Toobit's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree to these terms, click the checkbox and click Register to claim rewards. Toobit will send an email containing a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code accordingly. After that, you will see a list of limited time tasks that will grant you rewards. You can do these later, but for now, you've successfully created a new Toobit account. One step I want to highlight is completing the KYC or Know Your Customer process. It's a quick identity check that helps keep the platform safe, secure, and compliant with global regulations. You can do this by simply hovering your mouse over your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and choosing identification. See how simple it was? Toobit registration took me less than 3 minutes to complete, and I can immediately start exploring the platform. Speaking of which, let me give you a quick tour of Toobit's interface. Starting from the homepage, you can access everything you need right from the top navigation bar. It's laid out like a well-organized toolbox, clean, labeled, and easy to click through. At the top, you'll see tabs for spot, futures, copy trading, earn, convert, and DEX Plus. I'll cover each of these in more detail later. Just know that these are your main areas for trading, investing, and swapping assets. There's a shortcut to markets, where you can explore all the available trading pairs and see how they're performing in real time. On the right-hand side of the top bar, you'll find the menus for your assets and account settings. By clicking Assets, you can view your balances, track deposits and withdrawals, or move funds between accounts, like from spot to futures. It's basically your personal control panel for managing money. Scroll down the homepage, and you'll see featured tokens, trending markets, promotions, and quick links to educational content and support. It's kind of like the front page of a news app, designed to show you what's hot and help you dive in fast. Overall, the dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly. Once you know where the key tabs are, navigating Toobit feels more like using a modern app than a trading terminal. So, don't worry. Even if it looks busy at first, everything is just a few clicks away. Alright, once your account is set up, the next step is getting some crypto into it. And thankfully, Toobit makes this part super easy. Start by heading back to the homepage and look for the deposit button near the top right. Here, you'll see a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you want to deposit, let's say USDT for example. Now, this part is important. Make sure you select the correct network that matches the wallet or exchange you're sending from. For USDT, you'll see options like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. If you pick the wrong one, your funds could get lost, so always double check. Think of it like choosing the right charger for your device. The wrong cable just won't work. Once you select your network, Toobit will generate a deposit address. Copy that address carefully or use the QR code if you're sending from a mobile wallet, and then paste it into the withdrawal field on the platform or wallet you're sending from. After sending, the deposit will show up in your Toobit account once it gets a few blockchain confirmations. This usually takes just a few minutes, depending on the network. And that's it. You've just made your first crypto deposit on Toobit. Smooth, secure, and ready to trade. Now, of course, your main goal is to make your first cryptocurrency trade. While Toobit offers simpler ways like buying coins with a credit or debit card, they're pretty self-explanatory, so I won't go into them in detail. Instead, I want to touch on a more sophisticated method, so to speak. How to trade on Toobit using the spot trading interface. Think of it like buying crypto at the marketplace. Simple, fast, and on your own terms. For experienced traders, this is their bread and butter. But if this is your first time trading cryptocurrencies, this interface may seem complicated and intimidating. Well, no worries. Let me give you a quick guide on what each section does. First, at the very top, you'll see the current trading pair, in this case, BTC to USDT, along with live price data, 24-hour highs and lows, and trading volume. Right under that, in the center of the page, you'll find candlestick charts powered by TradingView. This is where you can visually track price movements over time. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Think of it like a weather chart for crypto. Green means the market's sunny, red means it's stormy. If you want to learn more about reading crypto price charts and make more educated decisions for your trade, BitDegree has a comprehensive guide for it. I've put the link in the description box if you want to read more about it. On the right side, you'll find the order book, showing real-time buy and sell orders from other traders. The red section shows sell prices where sellers are trying to cash out, and the green section shows buy prices when buyers are trying to jump in. Under the price chart, there's the buy-sell panel, where you can place your own orders. You can switch between market, which lets you make instant trades, limit, where you set your own price, or stop limit, which gives you more advanced control. Below that, you'll see your open orders, order history, and trade history, so you can track everything you've done. And there's a list of other trading pairs, in case you want to switch markets. Once you get used to it, the layout becomes second nature, like learning to drive a car. The dashboard only looks complicated at first, but Toobit makes sure you can trade assets as easily as possible. So just take it slow, and with a little practice, you'll feel right at home. Once you've made some trades and you're ready to take profits or move funds, here's how to handle a Toobit withdrawal safely and confidently. First, head to your assets dashboard, click on Withdraw, and choose the crypto you want to send. Double check that you're selecting the correct network and enter your external wallet address carefully. One wrong character and your funds could be lost. Always copy and paste, never type it out manually. Each token has its own withdrawal limits and fees, which you can preview on the withdrawal page. Keep in mind that KYC verification may affect your withdrawal limits, another reason it's worth completing early on. As long as you triple check the address and network, the process is smooth and secure. Just treat every withdrawal like sending money in real life. A moment of caution goes a long way. Now, for you crypto veterans, let me show you Toobit's features that may pique your interest, starting off with futures trading. Futures are ideal for traders who want to go beyond just buying and holding. With Toobit, you can trade perpetual contracts with up to 200x leverage. That means you can open much larger positions than what your balance alone allows. You can go long if you think a price will rise, or go short if you expect it to fall. Just remember, while leverage can amplify gains, it can also magnify losses. So make sure you understand your risk and always trade with a plan. I have a dedicated video covering perpetual contract, which is a type of futures. If you want to know more, you can always check it out. Link in the description box below. Next up, copy trading. If you're an experienced trader with a proven track record, you can actually apply to become a pro trader on Toobit. Once accepted, other users can follow your trades and you earn a share of their profits as commission. It's a great way to monetize your skills and build a reputation in the community. On the flip side, if you're newer to crypto or just want to learn by watching the pros, copy trading is a great place to start. You can browse verified pro traders, check their performance stats, and choose who you want to follow. Once you've selected someone, their trades will be automatically mirrored in your account. No stress, no constant monitoring. Moving on to earn. This feature lets you grow your crypto passively, kind of like a savings account. You can stake your assets or subscribe to flexible earning plans and receive interest over time without needing to trade actively. Then there's Convert, possibly the simplest tool for quick swaps. You can instantly exchange one crypto for another with zero fees and zero slippage. No order books, no charts, just choose the token you want to swap and confirm. It's perfect for beginners or anyone in a hurry. And finally, there's Dex Plus, Toobit's built-in gateway to early-stage on-chain tokens, all without needing external wallets, gas fees, or complex DeFi setups. With Dex Plus, users can buy and sell trending Web3 tokens straight from their CX account, skipping the hassle of connecting MetaMask or managing private keys. It's a smooth, centralized way to tap into decentralized trading. Currently, Dex Plus is only available through the Toobit mobile app, making it perfect for trading on the go. The app provides full access to curated on-chain tokens, fast swaps, and a user-friendly interface that simplifies everything. If you're looking to explore up-and-coming crypto projects with just a few taps, download the app and give Dex Plus a spin. The desktop version is coming soon, so desktop traders, stay tuned. With this wide range of features, I'm confident that Toobit can fulfill your trading needs no matter your experience level. Now, let's talk about something that matters no matter what kind of trader you are: security. Toobit takes this seriously with its proprietary BeSafe technology, a multi-layered security system that combines cold wallet storage, AES 256 encryption, and regular third-party audits to keep user assets safe. In simple terms, your crypto is guarded like it's in a digital fortress. But security isn't just on Toobit's side. There are a few things you can do too. First, head over to your profile icon, then click on Security Settings. This is your personal safety hub. Here, make sure you enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's a must-have. It adds a second layer of protection by requiring a unique code from your phone every time you log in or withdraw, like a digital lock on top of your password. Next, set up your anti-phishing code. This is a custom phrase that shows up in every official email from Toobit, so you'll always know whether a message is legit or a scam attempt. And of course, some general good habits. Never share your password, use a strong and unique one, and don't click on suspicious links, especially those pretending to be from Toobit. A few minutes of setup can save you from a world of trouble later. So take the time, lock things down, and trade with peace of mind. Now that your account's all locked in and secure, let's talk about where to go if you ever need help or run into any issues. Toobit makes getting support pretty straightforward. The fastest way is by clicking the Inquire the Online Agent icon. You'll see it floating at the bottom right corner of the homepage. That'll connect you with live support 24/7, whether you have a question about a deposit, a stuck order, or anything in between. Alternatively, you can head to the Support Center by clicking More and then Support Center in the main menu. It's packed with FAQs, step-by-step guides, and walkthroughs on everything from using two-factor authentication to understanding fees and trading rules. If you prefer to figure things out yourself, this is a goldmine. And don't forget to check out the Toobit community. Here, you can find Toobit's official Telegram, Discord, and social channels. They are a great way to stay updated on platform news, ask for peer advice, or just connect with fellow traders. Want to connect with your local Toobit community? You can. Currently, there are channels for region-specific communities from countries like Poland, Turkey, Canada, and more. So, no matter what your question is, help is always just a few clicks or taps away. And there you have it, your complete beginner to advanced tour of how to get started with Toobit. From setting up your account and navigating the platform to making your first trade, exploring features like copy trading and Dex Plus, and locking down your security, Toobit really does bring together everything you need in a crypto exchange, no matter your experience level. It's fast, feature-rich, and surprisingly user-friendly. Not to mention packed with tools like futures, earn, and zero-fee swaps that can grow with you as your skills evolve. Ready to give it a try? New users can claim up to 15,000 USDT in welcome bonuses, so there's never been a better time to sign up and start trading. I'll put the link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. As always, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who's just getting started in crypto. And let me know in the comments which Toobit feature are you most excited to try. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.